Good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 2.1 third Roman letter. That is third question. One box contains 25 apples. How many apples are there in 36 such boxes? Okay, this is third question. In this they give three subdivisions, but not subdivisions. All are sums only. You consider this as first sum, this is second sum, this one as third sum, this as fourth subdivision. Okay, first one box contains 25 apples. How many apples are there in 36 such boxes? One box are 25 apples irukku. So how many apples in 36 such boxes? So this is simply, if they give one value of 1 and ask value of many, means it is multiplication only. Okay, multiplication sums. So for this answer is, you have to write steps. Number of apples in one box equal to 25. Number of apples in 36 such box equal to 25 into 36. You do this multiplication in middle only, don't do as rough work. Okay, here only you have to do this. So 25 into 36. Say the sixth table, the 6 5s are 30. So you cut the 0 and write here. Then 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Write the 15 here, because here there is no number in hundreds place. So as it is, you write 15. Then multiplication with 3. Again it is, you already you multiply the 6, that is ones value, ones place value. So you write this. And then second 3 is in tens place. So you have to write in tens place. Start writing from tens place. 3 5s are 15. 5 remain. Next you write separately. 3 5s are 15. Cut the 5. Write here. Then remainder 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Then you add this. First one is multiplication. Then this is add. 0 0. 5 plus 5 10. 0. Remainder 1 right here. Add means 9. So how many apples? 900 apples in 36 bags. Okay, there is answer is 900 apples. Same like, there are 28 pages in a daily newspaper. If Ajay buys newspaper for 45 days, how many papers will it contain? It is the question. Okay, 28 page in a daily newspaper means one day paper, it contains 28 pages. So 45 days paper means how many pages? Just this is also simple multiplication only. So pages in daily newspaper. Pages in daily newspaper 28. Pages in 45 days newspaper, that is 28 into 45. In this step, pages in daily newspaper, there are 28 pages in daily newspaper. Daily 28 pages தான் வருது. But pages in இங்கே ஸ்டெப் எழுதும்போது 45 days கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா. So one day paper, pages in one day newspaper 28 pages. So 45 days newspaper means 28 into 45. So multiply like this. 28 into 45. 5 8s are 40. Cut the 0. Write 0 here. And 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. You write the 14 here. Again multiply with the 4. 4 is in 10 space. So I'll write it here only. 4 8s are 32. So you write separately and cut 2 right here, tens place. Then 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Write as it is. Then add 0. 4 plus 2 6. 1 plus 1 2. Again 1 as it is. So 1260 pages. Okay. Same like only the A truck carries 125 bags of rice. If each bag has 9 kg of rice, how much kg of rice will there be in the truck? Okay, so in 125 bag rice இருக்கான் ஒரு பேக்ல 9 kg. If each bag contains 9 kg of rice, அப்ப how to write the step means rice in one bag 9 kg, rice in 125 bags 9 into 125. Here 125 is the big number, so you write 125 upside and then multiply with the 9. 9 5s are 45, so write the 5, 45 here, cut and write 5 here, then 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4, what do you get? 18 plus 4, you get 22. Cut 2 and write here. 1 9 is 9, 9 plus 2 11, you write here. Okay, then fourth sum, if the cost of one chair is rupees 857, what will be the cost of 6 chairs? Okay, cost of one chair is equal to 857, cost of 6 chair equal to 857 into 6. Same like only 857 into 6 na 7 6 are 42. So cut 2 and write here. Again 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 34. Again cut 4 and write here, keep 3 as remainder. 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 3 50 also, 51 here, right? So the answer is rupees 5142. This is the answer. Okay, do you understand this?